When we are truly ourselves, a flash of insight, a moment of inner peace, which means no mind, no thought processing. It's just in a state of silence, within your totality, immersed within yourself, the present. Although there is the blissful, it's not lasting. It is transcending. It's transitory. At the same time, it's transformations. So have that gratitude when it comes, because that moments of glimpse of light, of silence, of moment of truth, that's a taste of enlightenment. So you wonder what is enlightenment is, or what is awakening, what is state of awakening. Awakening, it could be a term of awaken from the reality, awaken from the sleep of ignorance, awaken from your suffering, despair, your so-called reality that has been caved in, has been realized that it's not the truth. You may indeed have experienced this from time to time, or many times, without knowing that that's the reality. At the same time, that's a different dimensionality. Without knowing what it is and realizing, it's important for you to be present so you can pretty much distinct the differences and to become aware of the beauty, the majesty, the majestic nature, forest, enchanted, the liveliness of the silence, the movements that is so elegantly just flowing, like the nature herself. Leaf is moving just so gently. So if you love yourself, if you love nature, experience for oneself to be here now, not delaying time, that is the Dharma, to know what is yourself is, the everlasting, the eternal being of God in this form of human or animals or plant. All that is all here, all share the same life, radiance, magnanimous, with no boundaries. It's boundless, it's bountiful, it is abundance, it is plentiful supply of energies, oxygen, exchange. I like to say the subatomic. Let's not then. It is rooted within ourselves, because deep within our core, in our reservoir, in our heart, our mind, that's the core value. That is the root of our being in nature. That's chaos and order. So let's stay mindful. Peace. Much love.